Hello everyone, this is Bo from Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, my husband is taking over my channel. He went to Seoul, South Korea and did a vlog for us. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode and let me know in the comments what you've learned.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English, the Korea edition. Just landed in Seoul, Korea, and this is my hotel room tour. Huge tub, nice sink area. We have the electronic toilet, very spacious shower, a view into the main room from the bathroom here. We have our closet space, tea and coffee area, nice large California king bed, desk to write some postcards or some notes, check some emails. Really cool view of the city here. I'm going to be very excited to stay here for the next couple of days. So today is my first day in Korea. It's raining out, not too bad, just a light sprinkle. It is Saturday, December 13th, and I am starting my day. I'm heading to a couple of shops today for some clothing shopping and also a couple of cafes here in another cool neighborhood in Seoul. I want to check this coffee place out with the interesting name called The Beaner. Espresso, hand drip, and Dutch. It looks like they have coffees from all over the world. Kenya, Ethiopia, Brazil, El Salvador, and Indonesia. Can I get a cappuccino?
Cappuccino, hot.
Hot. What type of milk do you have?
Milk?
Milk.
Oat milk.
Oat milk. Perfect. And that's it.
Here or to go?
To go. You have a really nice business here.
Thank you. You have cinnamon? Cinnamon powder?
Yes, please. 감사합니다. Thank you. Thank you. Here's a cool alleyway in between some businesses and residential. Look at this artwork. Maybe this is a dance studio. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Very cool artwork of the tango. We have some scooters here. The Korean characters are some of the best looking characters or alphabet in the world, in my opinion. When I went to art school, one of the classes I took was calligraphy and typography. So for those subscribers that live in Korea, or if you're just visiting Korea, please make sure to visit Bo's cousin's dessert shop called 3 Dots. I got a nice chamomile tea, really perfect for this weather. A butter bar pastry. There's their Instagram if you want to follow them. Insta at 3 Dots Cafe. The first stop on my agenda is Slow Steady Club, and it happens to be closed for renovation. So there's a sign here that says renewal in progress. B1 stays open. I don't know what that means, but will reopen with a space attuned to the present. So unfortunately, one of the shops that I wanted to visit is closed, but come walk with me down this street where there's a lot of other cool stores. The majority of the shopping is still about a 15-20 minute walk from here. Oh, we have a little cat cafe. Wow. Still raining a lot. I was told by the taxi cab driver, the Uber driver, that it's gonna snow tonight. The current weather right now at about 2 p.m. is 31 degrees Fahrenheit. So I could imagine in the late afternoon, middle of the night, as it gets a lot cooler, it's going to start snowing. Temperatures will drop down into the mid to high 20s. I'm going to a cycling store.
Cycling?
Yeah, so they have this store in Los Angeles, but
Your chain over here?
the chain is over here, and sometimes they have country-specific apparel.
Oh, really?
So there might be something unique to Seoul that I cannot get in Los Angeles. So I'll start there, and then I'll work my way down to some other stores that open a little bit later. I like your blazer. You look very nice.
Thank you.
You're dressed nice. So does it snow in the city of Seoul? Or
Seoul is, this time is snow season.
snow season?
Yeah. Very, very cold. It's minus 10 degree.
Yeah.
Ooh.
In the summer, it gets really hot here as
It's
well.
32.
Yeah, I really like the city of Seoul. Everything is very far from each other. It takes a long way to get to place.
Yeah. How many times?
This is my third time.
Start time?
And last night, it took me 1 hour and a half to find a taxi cab. So like Uber and Lyft, there's a new one called Waymo.
Waymo?
No driver.
No driver?
Yeah, automatic driver.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Only in the LA downtown, only is no.
It's very big in Phoenix, Arizona, or in Arizona, and in Los Angeles, not everywhere, just in the main 10-mile radius.
Oh.
You have to trust the sensors on the car. I think it's similar to Tesla.
Tesla, okay.
The self-driving.
Yeah, yes, Tesla.
Yeah, my wife is Korean.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you speaking Korean language?
No,
No.
but she teaches English.
English. You stay over here?
No, she's in the U.S. She teaches on YouTube.
True.
So I will show you her YouTube before you drop me off, so you could see.
Oh, really?
But she has almost 100,000 followers. A lot of people from, I think the number one country is Korea, India, Philippines. People from all over the world are her students.
English teacher?
English teacher. But she does it in a very unique way, more like conversational vlog style.
The Korean teacher is good.
Yeah. So just got dropped off by the taxi cab, and now I'm at one of my favorite cycling brands called MAP. This is their Seoul location. They just opened one in Los Angeles, but they're out of Copenhagen, and they make very nice clothing, and their design aesthetic is really impressive. And it looks like they have Seoul exclusives. That's awesome. Hey, dope. I think I might have to get this. Purchase something from MAP. Kind of reminds me of Shibuya, Bosco. That's the name of the high school I went to. They sell Montclair, Stone Island, and Tom Brown. Pretty fancy store. Great logo here. And it looks like it's a udon restaurant. And we're just gonna walk the streets and explore Seoul until I have to head back to the hotel to check out. Luckily, my checkout today is at 2 p.m. So I have about an hour more to shop, and then I'll head back. So I just got myself a croissant at this place called Urban Nook. Nice variety of breads. This is my favorite croissant, the almond croissant. And they also do a little merch. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy my croissant. I need to do some research on who this gentleman is, but it's a very beautiful, quiet park. We have the Korean flags flowing in the wind. And a nice trail here. Very quiet, very peaceful. You can hear the birds. Looks like there's a workout area as well. This lady is getting her morning exercise in. I forgot what these type of machines are, but it looks like it's her and her husband staying young and fit. But if I lived in this area, I'd probably utilize this gym as well, especially in this beautiful park. Walking in this local market, check out this coffee house. It's called Rain Report, and it mimics rainfall with a little sprinkler system. Pretty cool. I think the military is on leave because I've been noticing a lot of men dressed in their military gear. I like it because it's Old Town Korea. It's not as contemporary as the other shopping locations I visited earlier in the trip. Even the architecture with the buildings are very traditional here, and a highly recommended area to visit while in Seoul. Entering the Miler Club, which is the lounge for Korean Air. The nice restaurant, food options, bar area, and also to relax and prepare for your long journey home. So you have many tables here with people enjoying their meals before they get on their flight. And there's the buffet up ahead. We have a buffet of this salad bar. We have meat on the other side, some cereal options, sushi, Korean traditional food. Well, that does it for another episode of BoAi's Slow English, the husband edition, traveling in Asia, this time in Seoul, Korea. Leaving or heading to my gate now. I will say that the ICN airport in Korea has to be the nicest airport I've ever been to. The cleanliness, the architecture, the food options, everything in this airport is superb. Even the state-of-the-art customs scanners, the efficiency of everything from beginning to end. I will say this is my favorite airport. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends about BoAi's Slow English. See you guys next time.